Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced welding technologies in the market, the WTT Tools 1200W handheld 2-in-1 air-cooled laser welding machine. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a metal fabricator, or someone working in automotive repair, this video is packed with everything you need to know. So let's get started. Laser welding is one of the biggest breakthroughs in modern joining techniques. Unlike traditional arc or MIG welding, laser welding uses a high-precision, focused beam of light to melt and fuse metals together. The biggest advantages? Extremely narrow and deep welds. Very little heat distortion. Cleaner and stronger results. Faster operation and minimal post-weld finishing. This is why industries like automotive, aerospace, and high-precision fabrication are shifting to laser technology. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the WTT Tools 1200W handheld laser welder. This powerful 1200-watt machine can weld stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and more with exceptional speed and accuracy. Its handheld design makes it perfect for workshops, garages, construction sites, and even on-site repair jobs. Advanced air cooling system. The machine stays cool even during long working sessions, reducing overheating and extending its lifespan. Portable and lightweight. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver and reach tight areas. Great for both small repairs and large projects. Auto wire feeder included. No need to manually feed wire, the machine does it for you. This is especially helpful for beginners and boosts precision for professionals. This machine shines in multiple industries. Automotive repairs. Perfect for thin metal sheets, bodywork, and structural welding. Metalworking and fabrication. Works great with steel, aluminum, copper, and mixed metals. Artistic metal design. Artists love its precision for creating detailed sculptures and custom designs. If you're a DIY user, this machine is easy to use, portable, and powerful enough for all your projects. If you're a professional fabricator, metalworker, or automotive expert, the WTT Tools 1200W laser welder offers precision, speed, and reliability that can truly upgrade your workflow. Overall, it's a strong, versatile, and modern solution for anyone serious about welding. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the description of the video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Visit our website for more information.